is regarding the 50th State Athletic Championship organized by Goa Athletic Association. We are proud to announce that we have, in past 35 years, we have conducted 49 state level athletic championship. The state level athletic championship will be held on 27th and 28th October at Athletic Stadium, Bambolim. Approximately, we have got 1,200 entries, and today also we have received some entries, though the last date of entries has been closed. Categories for this event will be under 8 boys and girls, under 10 boys and girls, under 12 boys and girls, under 14 boys and girls, under 16 boys and girls, under 18 boys and girls, under 20 boys and girls, and men's and women's. Total 73 institutes, schools, clubs have registered their athletes, plus some individuals are there. Athletes from far, especially Kankon Taluka, Kepe, Sawadde, Sange, Walpoy and Darbandoda association will be doing their accommodation, and they will provide with the lunch and dinner, because it is very far to come from these places. We have arranged the accommodation. Almost 120 athletes have confirmed the accommodation, so they will be staying for 2 days in Panjim. The victorious athletes will be given medals and certificates. Besides, trophies will be given to best athlete, best march past team. From under 14 till men's and women's, they will be given each category team championship, winners and runners up, plus overall championship will be there. West Zone medal winners will be felicitated on this occasion. The closing function will be held at 4 p.m. on 28th. Policy urtali, government policy केल्या नाही ती. आणि काय आमच्या तरी मला sports mark at least should be given to everybody. It is not only to pass. Even बरो शिकपी भुरगो they are into sports, so they should be benefited somewhere, no? हे काल मीटिंगेक ते डिसाइड जाला.